Okay, part 2. Let's see, where did I go here? Power in, neutral, comes over here to red, black. Power out goes over into here, into this switcher. The switcher is turned on by 220 here and here that come up to my switch that turns it on to my e-stop. So if the e-stop, that turns this off, which shuts all power down. I think that's correct in this type of setup. AC power down. From what I hear, you don't want DC power down, from what I hear. And then power out, here is 110, 110, 220 together. To the toroidal in here, and then out of the toroidal into 60 volts AC, and out of here, each one of these, each leg gets put there, 60 volts AC, turn each one of these drivers on. Let's see, the motor encoder wires, I haven't got them quite tied up, but they go here, and there. The only difference in color on this from my motors is orange is on this wire, and on the motor it's yellow. So that's set up. Out of my Acorn for 5 volts, I got 5 volts going into P plus, direction plus, enable plus, and they're jumped coming out. I believe, yeah, I got all 3 coming out of here, so there's 3, 1 going there and it's jumped. Same there, same there. This here comes down over back into this, which I made a little box to plug in case I want to unplug this. And then this just goes down, plugs into one of the 110, a neutral and a ground. And these are fuses. Let me see how I have this. Oh, okay, sorry. I think I said the 60 volt from here goes to here. 60 volt from here AC goes into here, and then out of here and into here. So 60 volt is fused AC, goes to this terminal block, and then out of the terminal block to each one of them. So if one of these does something funky, it's a fast blow fuse in these two. I think that should work. That's about it. That's about as far as I've got. Need to hook up my motor, my limit, and my e-stop. The e-stop will be where it shuts down the Acorn. This e-stop shuts power. This one will be where I'll have it if I'm machining something ain't right, smack it, and it'll just shut the Acorn down to stop everything. So that's where I am with part 2. I got these to hook up. I don't want to hook anything to the Acorn quite yet because I got to do the bench test.